On our way to Miami, got my bag of chicken, suitcases, babe, and we're about to get on the elevators, walk into the airport. But I will see you guys in Miami, yo. We stopped here at Carl's Jr. and I got my bag of chicken, as you can see right there. So here's the hack: you get a bean and cheese burrito right there, and you turn it over. You gently open it up, right? This might take some time here. Gently, without tearing the tortilla, right? Okay, see all those beans in there? Then you take your bag of chicken here, right? And then you just take a scoop of chicken out of there. And then you just start piling your chicken. And now you got a bean, cheese, and chicken burrito for all them gains.
Located in the seat-backer lid we're talking in front of you. Please take it out, look it over, read it before you need it. 2, fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle, pull the loop.
Well, we made it. Now we're off to go claim the bags here at MIA, Miami International Airport. Definitely not missing in action, yo. Was that what you thought MIA mean? Missing in action? Not Miami International Airport? Miami Beach! Miami Beach! Oh, we got runaway luggage. Runaway luggage. Made it. It is hot. I'm literally like sweating and it's the middle of the night. You feel that heat?
It's humidity.
Humidity, bro. All right, we made it. It is literally 1:32 in the morning, and this is the room. Good thing we get to wake up right here on South Beach tomorrow. Cannot wait. I'll see you guys there. All right, got our nice clothes on. Running into that tree right there. Got our nice clothes on. We are off on our way to make our way to the Versace Mansion. A little bit of a walk or Uber ride. We're gonna figure that out right now, but it's a mansion here in South Beach that's been converted into a restaurant, so we're gonna check it out. See you there. Oh, so we have made it to the mansion. Got my Red Bull. Got looking at the lunch menu right here at the literal Versace Mansion. Check it out for lunch today. Oh my goodness, this is a mansion. Oh shoot. Dang, this is cool. Wondering if you had anything sooner.
Okay, guys, when the table is ready, we'll let you know. The drink?
Oh, this?
Yes, you can finish if you want. And I can storage that here.
Hi, welcome.
With us.
Oh, yeah. Please follow me this way. Like some water, sister?
Please, yeah. So Gianni's, the former Versace Mansion, blank page, blank, okay. Oh, here we go, appetizers. So much to choose from.
When the food's so greasy. Thank you.
Well, we finished eating, now we're just doing a little exploring. You can see this cool stuff behind me, and on the other side, right here, this Versace Mansion. It's pretty neat. What do you think?
I love it here.
Great food. This place is nuts. I'd love to live here. Look, I mean, just look up. All right, check this out. Officially onto the beach.
See that?
Onto the beach. What? What'd you say?
Harass sea turtles.
Oh, don't harass sea turtles. No alcohol, no fire, no glass.
No
Usual.
fun.
No fun. Oh, feet have hit the sand. There's the view. Boom. Umbrellas everywhere. This is the legendary South Beach. Wow, and we look over to the right, nothing but ocean out there. Damn. Time to catch some rays, fly around the drone, and get a little salt water, baby. This is the spot.
Ready? Feel the warm water? That burns my blister. It's not as warm.
What are you talking about? This is warm.
I know.
Way warmer than the West Coast where I'm from. Pismo Beach. Got nothing on this. I gotta jump in here, you guys. Whoop, getting a little deeper. Feels great. Salty. It's nice out here, dude. Got this whole view over here. This whole view right here. What a beautiful beach. Just lounging out while the waves are coming. Oh, got me. It's so nice. It's like a hot tub. You know, a lot of people take life so seriously, man, and I honestly am a big believer in just living your life. Granted, there's some things that you really got to hunker down and chase after, but if you don't start consciously, intentionally, quote unquote, living your life, then who will? Seriously, who will? Who will go put their feet in the sand? Who will go jump in the water? Who will go to do those things that you've always wanted to do in your life, if not you? So, you know, if you want to take a message away from this video, live your life. Do what you can. There's a lot to explore out in the world, and there's memories to make, people to meet, and lots of fun stuff, dude. So, too much to do to not go out and live. Spencer D. What up? Man, this place is nice. Seriously, it's walking down the beach, man. Enjoying South Beach, freaking Florida. You guys gotta check this place out. Damn, it is beautiful. I think I see the Caribbean. I think I see the Virgin Island. Is that a ponga boat? No, just kidding. Totally kidding. Enjoying life, you guys. Don't forget to do that.
Oh, you're doing it to me? I thought you wanted me to hold it.
At a Cuban restaurant, watching Lamborghinis drive by. What a day. What a day, you guys. And there it is. Taste of Cuba, right?
Yeah.
Cuba.
Empanadas, beef and cheese croquetas, fried yuca, sweet plantains. That's the tostones with the roasted pork on top. That's the tostón with the shredded grandma style ropa vieja.
It all looks so good, I don't know where to start.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Just hanging out, guys, on the top of the parking garage here, as you can see. Came up here to get some views of Miami as the sun goes down, and honestly finish off the sunset. Smoke that bad boy. Today has been nice, you guys. South Beach, what an eye-opener it is to be down here. It's really cool just as far as all the entertainment and clubs and restaurants that it has, like right on the South Beach, dude. And just the water today, when we were at the water, so warm. Loved it. Definitely gonna have to come back to South Beach again, you guys, and check this place out. I hope you guys do. If you're watching this, you heard it here. Spencer D, South Beach, Florida. Come check it out. Ooh, I gotta go. Well, it's 5:30 in the morning or so, 6 in the morning, and we are up again, returning the car to get back on another plane, and it's another little 3-hour flight to St. Thomas. So I'll see you guys there soon.